Dear students, in this video, I will tell you how you can add music in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please like the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon. First, open your Chrome browser and go to the canva.com website, then select a video. Here, you have to upload your video. Now, to add music in the background, go to Elements and scroll down here. If you find out, sit here for background music. Then go to the audio section. You will find lots of background music here. Simply drag from here and adjust it in your project. Now you can get part of music from wherever you want. This was the first method. Now I'll tell you the second method as well. For that, upload your own music and adjust it in the background of your project. You can also keep its part from wherever you want. Hopefully, you got some information from this video. If you did, like the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, press the video, and be sure to share this video with 3 friends. How did you like this video? If you liked it, like the video.